Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Corey. Molly told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three quick tips on how you can actually start outranking your competition. Really start drawing in a lot more quality traffic to your website as well. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. But I was looking at some of your back pages and your front page here, and really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding that much more content in there, you're able to layer in those keywords. Those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're being found. Even these images down here, this is all content down here. You can actually switch that up. Instead of download one, you can actually do some keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in a Google, or go inside of Google and type in air conditioning service Ashburn, VA, you can actually do any location or whatever service, doesn't really matter. But this is what you're going to see. You got these ads here at the top. These old school traditional ads have been really spammy lately, so what Google did last year is actually come up with these Google guarantees. These Google guarantees help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. They do get pretty pricey at the end of the month. A lot of people have came out with like ad blockers and things like that, so a lot of ads aren't even going through. Underneath the ads, we have this little map section here. Now, really, to get the top rankings here, you got all these companies that's just really trying to fight for these. Even goes on for multiple pages, just like the organic traffic does. But really, to get the rankings here in this little map pack area, you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is come in and get those same citations that your top competitors have. We want to go out there and beat them like maybe 50 times or even 100 times what they have. So that way when Google does their algorithms, they have no reason but to put you in these top rankings just because you clearly outsmoked all your competition there. So underneath the map, we have this is all the organic traffic right here. This is the first page of Google, and really to be found right here really comes down to making sure you have all that authoritative content, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I come in here and actually take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like you started this thing back in 2013 or so. This is the last 3 months of your website. You got you've had over 8,000 backlinks. Right now, you currently have over 1,000 backlinks, coming from 243 different referring domains. I don't know if you're doing some work on your site here, but these are pulling up NAs. Could be from I don't know. Few different things, or it's Ahrefs is doing its thing right now, but we can come in and see if there's any keywords that actually, I don't know the exact numbers. I think Ahrefs has kind of given me some NAs on some numbers, but anyway, when I noticed it earlier, the numbers you did have a lot of clicks, but really it's the keywords that you're not being found for, like hang on. Yeah, so you got this is how you're being found. You got furnace exhaust pipe, furnace flue pipes, furnace exhaust pipes, flame rollout switch. You got a lot of words in here that you're ranking for, but I'm looking for those keywords where it's actually going to help you bring in those that business there. HVAC rollout. Oh, no. Hang on. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Walker. I'm going to stick them inside of Ahrefs real quick. So here's one of their locations that they have is the Woodbridge, VA. So these are pretty much all the keywords. This is the what keywords and how much volume each keyword is actually producing on average every month, and then also your position and the amount of traffic that you're getting as well. So it's kind of a cool little tool. Air conditioning Woodbridge, VA. There's 100 clicks on average every month. They're fifth position, so they're getting about 10 clicks right there. 10%, which isn't a bad 10% isn't a bad number to be getting, but really coming in and finding a lot more keywords that's just going to help drive more traffic, quality traffic, like furnace repair, Woodbridge, VA. Pretty specific there. There's 60 clicks every month right there with that one keyword. And in making sure that you get that content and also those backlinks to rank for those each individual keywords is real crucial. It'll help you bring in that quality traffic that you're looking for. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to give me a review on how I did on this video, that'd be cool. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks. Bye.